Hi everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Irit. I'm a watercolor and mixed media artist based in Austria in Europe. And on my channel, I share all my artsy adventures. Today I have a really fun video because I am launching a new course. It's called The Joyful Art Habit, and it is all about creating a daily habit of painting. Registration is open, but it will only stay open for 1 week. On June 3rd, I'm going to close it, and then the course starts June 5th. The reason that I'm closing it and it's for a limited time is because I want us all to start as a group. We have prep week, and then there are 4 additional weeks, so 5 weeks in total, of painting and creating our art habit. This course is for you if you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and you're just struggling to show up regularly. If painting is a priority for you, but your daily life doesn't reflect that, you can't manage to find the time to sit down, to show up, or you do and then you feel overwhelmed, well then this course is for you. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to choose your supplies, decide on the time, the space of where you'll be painting, and then we'll start painting and we'll work on really cementing that habit. By the end of the course, you will have your own personalized, customized, perfect habit that works for your life and your schedule, and you'll probably have quite a full sketchbook already or a pile of papers. So I'm really excited about it. The course starts June 5th, and there's also going to be a Facebook group so we can keep each other accountable with daily prompts and share our progress, which I'm really happy about it. It's such a perfect addition for this course. So let me hop on over to the website where the course is. Okay, we are on the website, and I just wanted to show you, you can find all the details here, so you can take your time and read everything, the story of how this course came together. But what I want to show you is what you will get when you sign up. Okay, so first, the kind of meat of the course are the instructions and inspirational weekly videos, as it says here. So in the prep week, we are going to kind of prepare everything that we need. You're going to have to make decisions, and I'm going to make you accountable. And then in week 1, we will show up every day. So there's going to be process videos, and I will motivate you to keep going. In week 2, we will focus on kind of tweaking our supplies so that they work for us. And then in week 3, we will see where we need to kind of improve our skills. And in week 4, we're going to develop our inner artist and listen to her, him, it, they are. So I'm really excited about that. But then beyond that, there are all kinds of extra bonuses that I've created for this course, and they are really fun, and I think you will love them. So we have the How to Create a Habit workbook. There is a curated palette guide where I walk you through step by step on how to create your own palette. If you feel like you've graduated from, curated for you palettes, like basic palettes that manufacturers make, you're going to learn how to choose your own palette. There is like a tracking calendar. And then we have extra bundles, like a supplies bundles toolkit. If you're not sure what to buy, I help you out with that. And then there is something really cool called color wheel mapping, which is kind of my framework on finding your color story. So that is also included. And of course there are printables, which are quite different this time than if you're familiar with my printables that I have in my shop. So these are really different. They are geared towards kind of creating your sketchbook to really help you start your painting habit. So all of that is included in the course. And here you can see a list of everything. And I also want to say, if you've taken one of my courses before, you will notice that this is on a different platform. I am in the process of transitioning. Eventually, all of my courses will be there, so you will have one place to access everything, but this is going to take me some time. So please, please, please be patient. And that's why things might look a little bit different if you've taken one of my courses before. I am really, really excited to start. This is a bit of a different course for me, but it is so important if you want to incorporate painting in your daily life and enjoy the benefits of it, you know, not just finishing a painting, but the therapeutic effects of relaxing and enjoying your time, of doing something that you love, doing it for yourself. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below, or you can email me, you can DM me on Instagram, and I hope to see you in the course. Bye.